Believe that there is at least one thing that is concerning us, or one thing that bothers us deeply, and we want answers. And if we're not careful, sometimes we find our friends saying to us, or calling us, that very famous name or term. Anybody knows what that famous term is? You're a doubting. What the persons are called. But last night I must confess that after preparing over the time, I began to question, was it that Thomas really doubted that Jesus was raised from the dead? Or was he doubting the fact that other disciples had seen him? That's a question I had to ask myself, and I really haven't come up with the answers yet.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It is Sunday and the vacation is still in full swing. But guess what? We went to church today. I haven't gone to church in over 2 years, so it was really special to go to church today. For who don't know,
You went last year.
where I went to church last year. Oh yes, I went to church last year when Tyler got christened. But yeah, so it was good going to church today. For who don't know, Jamaica have a lot of churches. Hello. Jamaica have lots and lots of churches. Every 10 meters, I'm sure you're going to see a church. Hundreds of churches are in Jamaica, so it's Sunday, so you know everybody's out and going to church. Lots of different denominations and stuff like that. So we went to church today, which is really a blessing. It's always good to be home and go back to your home church, you know. So that was good. Hopefully you guys get to go to church today. If you don't go to church, then receive the blessing just the same. We're actually on our way home right now, going home to make some breakfast because I'm super hungry. Everybody's really hungry, so we're going home to make breakfast, have family dinner, prepare family dinner as a matter of fact. And yeah, that's what's really up today. I think we're having some family games night later in the afternoon, so that should be awesome. Yeah, but it's really like a traditional Jamaica kind of Sunday where you do church, breakfast, dinner, and just chill for the afternoon, playing games and stuff like that. Then ice cream and all that good stuff in the afternoon. So that's what a Jamaica Sunday is like. Typically Jamaicans, we always do oxtail and rice and peas for breakfast. For dinner, not for breakfast, for dinner, or we do fried chicken and rice and peas for dinner, or fish and rice and peas for dinner. It's always rice and peas and something. That's just the traditional Jamaican Sunday. So I guarantee you 90% of the houses in Jamaica today making rice and peas and something. But wait, I haven't eaten any oxtail since I came.
Nope.
Oh my gosh. So yeah, we're having a Jamaica kind of Sunday as usual. But yeah, baby is here chilling in the car.
Hi guys. Resting. Just come back from church. I had to wake up very early, so feeling tired. But it's okay. It's okay. It's a good way to start the day. So now it's almost 10. We're going to back home, rest and have breakfast, and like babe say, gonna enjoy our Sunday.
And church starts very early. So church is like 7:15 a.m. in the morning, so you have to be up early and go to church. So you have no time to make breakfast, so you're really hungry by this time. Going back home, it's almost 10. So I'm super hungry and I can't wait to go home to just whip up something to eat real quick. Guys, I don't remember if I told you guys that my brother-in-law is Trinidadian. All his family is Trinidadian. So we're having a Trinidad kind of Sunday today. We're having wait. Yes. We're having what my sister call bus up shot, curry duck, and curry chickpeas. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay, she said chana. That's what they call this. That is curry chickpeas. Yes, give him one in the blue container. So we're having Trini dinner today. It looks really yummy. So let's dig in. To all my Trini subbies, we're having Trini for dinner today. That is good. Wait. You hear that? Don't crack the bone, you that's wood. You want a pineapple one too? How is having Trini for the first time, Ben?
For now it's good, but I just tested it tip.
Okay.
For now it's good.
So Charlie is crying for the Trini food. Come, Trini boy. Yeah, Trini boy? Come. Sit here. Tyler is enjoying it. I think I've had this bus up shot thing before. You guys, it's Sunday afternoon and I really wanted, today is actually Jamaica Carnival and I really wanted to go to the Jamaica Carnival, but I changed my mind on going. I wanted to go and watch the road match, but I changed my mind on going, so I decided to stay home and just stay with the family. They're actually playing games around here. There they are, babe and all of them playing game. Tyler is taking a nap, and it's a good thing that I stayed home because the world relays is also on, and today is the final day of that. So it's good to stay home so I can get to watch that. So yeah, and it's also raining. It's raining like crazy all day. So yes, baby. Hey, Faves. I'm just coming on actually to end the vlog. We didn't really do anything much today apart from going to church, spending time with the family, babe and the in-laws, and my sister played some games in the afternoon. Just had basically family time today. We didn't really go all out and do the crazy because we went to church and it was kind of chill Sunday. Thank you, my love. So yeah, I'm just coming on to end the vlog. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good boy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Oh my god, this is so annoying on my face. Can you tell it's annoying? So annoying. Okay, I'm just gonna put my hand on it like this because it's annoying me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.